Do you like leggings? Do you like jeans? How about combining them into one? Introducing Leggings! Leggings combines the unique comfort of leggings with the modern designs of jeans. It's an elegant, practical, comfortable fashion item, and leggings look just like designer jeans. No one will ever tell the difference. But that's not all. Its smart fabric will make your legs and glutes look firm, slim, and without a trace of cellulite. Leggings is made with the exclusive SlimTex technology that compresses the fabric, tightening your body, making you look firm and lean. And the advanced vertical fabric around the waist gets rid of those unwanted love handles. Today's women look for clothing that are not only comfortable and fashionable, but also make us look slim and in great shape.
Our leggings are so comfortable, it feels like you're not wearing anything at all whatsoever. But what I love the most about it is because it makes me look really, really good. So it sucks everything up and makes me look like 20 pounds lighter. Love handles are gone, muffin top is gone, and there's no cellulite. I just love it. It's comfortable and it makes me look great.
This is exactly what you get with Leggings. Sexy leggings and fashionable jean designs with all the benefits of a body shaper. And there's more. Leggings has a modern, seamless design. It has no buttons or zippers that dig in and hurt. Leggings molds perfectly to the body, and your underwear will never show, so that you will always look firm and flawless for the best look of your life. Call now and order your Leggings vintage style at an incredible introductory price. Leggings with the exclusive SlimTex technology, sexy leggings, and fashionable jean designs with all the benefits of a body shaper. But wait, if you call in the next 5 minutes, we'll double the offer. Get another Leggings absolutely free. Yes, the black style for every occasion. Buy one and get the second free. Leggings! Its smart fabric will make your legs and glutes look firm, slim, and without a trace of cellulite. But that's not all. If you call now, you'll get a third pair of leggings free. That's right, buy one, get three. So call now.
Money back guarantee.